this is Samuel's 1980, right?
Yeah.
Dodge Aspen with the slant 6. Oh, did you get some new tires for it?
No, I just aired them up.
That holds,
They've been
yeah?
aired for a week.
Oh, wow. That doesn't even look like a bad tire. It's got the slant 6 in it. What is the liter? 3.7 liter. Just put a new carburetor on it. It has a lot of wiring issues. Still doesn't start from the key, right?
No, but I like this push button.
Oh, you're just going to put a push button on?
You know how to hook this up on it?
Yeah. Did you end up getting the fuel pump on?
No, it's right here. Let me show you.
But you got the old one out?
No. It's right here.
Oh, okay. You got the old fuel pump out.
Yeah, the old was just gunked up. Not really gunked up with the gas engine, but it was just all greasy and
Let's put a new distributor in it. You basically got to do everything on. We found this little cutout here, which you just take 2 bolts out and you can get to just about everything in there. Put a new distributor cap, new wires, and you got the new starter back on.
Yeah, and I got a fuel line for this thing right here.
Okay, quarter inch.
Yeah, something like that. I broke up. Look at that.
Oh, 5/16.
Look how thin this is. This brakes. So
oh yeah.
That's all dry rod.
Well, that's just vacuum right there.
Well, I figured I might as well put it on there.
Yeah, might as well put it on there. And you ended up getting a new hard fuel line?
Oh, where?
Did you say that one of the hard fuel lines was bad?
No, it was only this one right here. This is the only one that broke.
Oh, okay.
On this, I did put another, the piece that goes on here, it came on a new one, so I hooked it up on there.
Oh, great.
I just can't get that fuel pump on. I try to get on by myself, but it's so hard to get on without messing anything up.
Good looking carburetor there. Let's see what else. You changed out that relay right there. That didn't fix the start from the key and the
I think it's a wire.
And the switch right under the column.
Yeah, but I've seen a lot of videos. A lot of people that have these Euro cars, what they do is they hook up.
Yeah,
they hook up these and put them in there. In their car?
Yeah. My old Ford has one of those.
Like the cigarette lighters, they take the cigarette thing out of it and then put it in there.
Yeah, just the constant hot.
Yeah.
And then that will go to the solenoid.
This would be way better than having to use the
Yeah. Change the oil?
Yeah, I changed the oil. I was trying to get the oil. Look, you want to see the oil? That's nasty oil right there.
Oh. Looks like it's got some. Wow, that was pretty bad.
It didn't look like that whenever I took it out. I think it's when it's sitting.
Didn't really seem like a whole lot either.
No, I put this whole thing in it right here. See?
Oh, okay.
This one only takes like four quarts or something like that.
Let's make sure he got it right.
You showing up with it?
Yeah, you got too much in there.
I do?
Yeah.
Well, on the thing, that's how I just said I put it in there. Is it going to hurt anything?
Well, wait a minute. Kind of smells a little gassy. Yeah, you don't want to overfill it.
Do I need to let some of it out?
It smells gassy.
It does.
Yeah. Have you been putting any gas in the...
Oh, well, the other night when I just turned it over, I put a little bit of gas in it, but not much. I haven't really been dumping that much gas in it.
Yeah, that's what happens. Sometimes the gas will go down into the...
Is that bad?
Yeah, you don't want gas in your...
What do I have to do to...
You have to empty it.
Again?
Yeah.
Shoot.
Let's see.
Started up with that gas in there.
You don't, I mean... Oh, okay. He's done a whole lot to this back part right here. Put some of the, what was it, the Rust-Oleum?
No, it was $4.15.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I had to order it online because it was cheaper than buying the stuff from the auto parts store.
Oh, why didn't you?
I
have to cut that out.
Yeah, I have to cut it out. I can't put over that because then
we're thinking that the fuel is good. The tank does the fuel that we've got out of there.
Hey, look, I found one to go in the window.
Oh wow, that's neat.
$300 for the set. I found that out back sitting on the ground.
That is cool. Where you found it?
Out back. Yeah, sitting on the ground.
All right, let's look on the inside. It smells better in here now. It's gotten to dry out, I guess, right?
What?
It's kind of dried out.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what fell?
Oh crap, it's a pigeon.
Oh. All right. I don't like it. It's a lot better without that hood on.
Yeah,
isn't
it's a lot easier to work on stuff. And I gotta sand the hood down underneath. Because I had to put the stuff on the...
All the tires are holding air. That's amazing.
That is weird, isn't it? It looks
Yeah.
so bad, man. I was like, yeah, they'll go flying an hour. I put air in these last Monday.
What is this right here? This looks about
GTO,
the same, doesn't it?
GTO.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a Ford.
Oh, it's four. It looks so similar. All right. All right. Go ahead and do it, and we'll.
Imagine this thing starts up now.
Yeah. Hey, stop. We're sparking too much down there. Oh, okay. Okay, now go ahead. Alright, stop. Alright. So at least we got that on the video that it started a little bit.
So I need to get a fuel filter?
Yeah, you need to get a fuel filter because, that it couldn't be clogged up there. Just need to get more of that gas up in there. It's going to run. I'm just not brave enough to put my hand over there. That would help because it would be like when you're doing a small motor, if you put something over here, it would help some of that gas get through there. So
is it pumping, you think?
I think it's just I don't think we got a good flow of gas through there yet.
Because I filter?
Again, it's slow. There's not a lot of gas in there. You need to get more gas in that tank.
Can you help me hook this up so when we do it, before you go?
Yeah.